Just wanted to make a quick video going over how to download and install D3Splint version 1.0.0 and all future iterations. So after the purchase link, or after you purchase the software, you should get a purchase link in your email, but you can also reach all of your downloads by logging into your D3Tool.com account, going to your My Accounts page, and then over here in the My Account menu, if you go to Downloads, there should be a complete list of all of your downloads. So over here is D3Splint, so I'm going to click D3Splint version 1.0.0, and that's going to download the installer. You can see mine has a 2 here because I've downloaded it twice before. Once it downloads, I'm going to double click to open. If you get this error, you can click More Info and click Run Anyway to allow the program. Go through my setup, accept the agreement, and you can create a desktop shortcut by clicking this right here. Once you finish, it should launch D3Splint. And it may take a second to load up the first time, but now you'll see I have my new D3Splint desktop icon. This will be my D3 Tool workflow tab, the help desk. We have a new in-software ticketing system for those on our support subscription. And then here in the user preferences, which is going to be the other window that pops up when you launch it, here is our D3Splint module. And this is also where you can certify not for clinical use. That basically just means that you have so much control over the appliance and the software that you could essentially make anything, and the final design has to be approved or designed by a clinical dentician. And you can also come in here as you get used to using the software and find most of our default values. For example, all of the articulator values and all of our other preset values that you can then change and save as your default, so you can have your own values set as the default. And this is also where you will go to update. So to update D3Splint as version 1.0.0 will probably be our last installer. You will now type in your D3Tool.com account information. It'll validate your login, and then you can check for the update. We are now on 1.0.2, And you can set this to happen automatically as well if you wanted to check in the background every whatever increment you choose. Now I will click the Update Now. And now it will say Restart Blender to complete update. So I'm going to close out the whole system. I don't need to save anything that was in that scene. I will relaunch D3Splint. And now you'll see I'm running 1.0.2. And after that, you should be good to go.